Yo, it's Chriso from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I'm a professional tiler. I have been for 35 years. I'm not a handyman. I'm a professional. I started off doing this wall this morning. So now, usually people put in a new vanity, but this one isn't too bad, so they're keeping this vanity. So I'm just going to shoot up this wall now. I've just started it with the first row, got that right, so let's throw up some tiles. I hope everyone's having a great day. I am, I always do, because I enjoy what I do. It's always a good day. It's Monday, just had a weekend. It's cool. Woo-hoo-hoo. Put in some clips, Chriso. I reckon there's going to be a little bit of a problem with this vanity with my tile there, but I'm trying to keep it as tight as I can. This bathroom always isn't used, but I should be right. So it's but I can't be sticking out, otherwise the door won't open, but it's going to work out all right. So that's cool. Hot chili. Or cool bananas. I should use a rubber hammer a bit more instead of bashing my hand. I'm just trying to keep it close, that's all. I hope you can see that. So I'll be out of here in a couple more days and on to the next. Whooshka. Throw that away. Nice. I thought I had it right, but once you start, you soon know. It's very important because I've got to end up right so the lines are correct, but it will be. I have used a laser, so we're off. This sort of thing, when you've got small cuts, you should leave out for a little while, because when you're doing, say like when you're doing other larger cuts, that one up there, well then I'll have an offcut that'll do that cut from that cut, if you dig what I mean. If I'm talking in circles, let me know. Give us a comment. And say, oh, you fool, you're talking in circles. Hopefully I'm not. I like the tile. I reckon it's quite neat. Nice colour. That's how you do it, folks. DIYs. You will save thousands doing it yourself. Absolute thousands. If you're that way inclined, you know, some people aren't that way inclined. You know, like I can't fix the car anymore. It's too complicated, too technical, with it all being computerized and that sort of thing. So I stick to what I know. I tile, and I take my vehicle to a mechanic. To get fixed. I can't DIY my vehicle anymore. No, a bit of a bodgy screw that was. That's what I do with electrical. That's all I do. I don't fluff around with those little suckers. No. I'll screw it back, but that's all I do. Right, so I'm doing this tile now because then you'll see in a minute, and I'll finish what I'm saying. I put this one up first, and then I'm able to put my tile against that and mark it there. Always have a clip to rest your tile on, otherwise you might chip. You might chip your tile if you put tile on tile.